Hi guys, this is Jamie with gettingcrafty.net. That's gettingcrafty.net, and my name is Jamie. I'm a mom of 4 young children at home, and this is the Sunday before Valentine's Day. So if you're like me, you always want to be that super mom who delivers the cutest treats on campus, and you really want to be the one where your kids wow their friends with creating, but you don't have a lot of time. Time is a commodity that would make me rich if I could sell it. I'm just saying. So in comes Paper Pumpkin to the rescue. As a Stampin' Up, I get the discount on these paper pumpkins, and it's one of my favorite kits ever, especially since my kids can create it for their classmates and their friends. So the kids will make them for their classmates. We're homeschool, but there's a campus day 1 day a week, and they'll make it for their classmates. They'll make it for friends at church. They'll make it for the neighborhood friends. So this is just to show you what Paper Pumpkin results in. You have to order it every month by the 10th of the month. And if you're like me, you're always the last minute mom. These are timely, seasonal crafts that you can do if you have no time. Hello. Or your children can do if you have no time. Hello, I'm just saying. So let me show you how cute these paper pumpkin kits are. I got a full-size kit and a refill. I wanted to show you the difference and show you what we're creating for Valentine's Day. These are subscription boxes that are fabulous. Again, seasonal, timely, fun. They make great gifts. And if my kids don't use them, we use them in our various card making classes. They make great gifts for the neighborhoods. But we also donate them to kids fighting cancer. So this is a great all-inclusive crafting kit. So you can see here where my children have already created from one box. Here my 13-year-old daughter made this adorable chameleon pillow box right here. Then my 10-year-old daughter made this little kangaroo blue box. And my 7-year-old daughter made this kangaroo box. So it's just a variety of skills, but they can do it without me helping. And that is the best part of this. As a mom, I'm super busy. I'm getting ready for our class day tomorrow, and I want to make sure that we look really great. So I'm going to show you guys how my kids are going to put them together in this really cute little fast video. I hope that you enjoy them. But this is the January Paper Pumpkin box. So let me show you. It's all inclusive. Your first subscription box will come with a clear block, just like so. You want to make sure that you keep this block. I have a drawer where we keep all of our paper pumpkin goodies to craft with, and my kids create with it all year long. They get these little ink squares. They get these stamp sets they can use all year long, adhesives. It's completely all inclusive. Then it opens up. It's like the world's happiest mail. And you get a fully kit. It's cute wrapped, this really great little blue crinkle. You have a little ink pad. You have a full stamp set, and this actually coordinates with one of our current cards, our current stamp sets, and it just expands on it, which is probably my favorite part of it. And Animal Expedition, so you can see that here, it came in there. I just blanked on the name of it. So there you go. And it has a full inclusive kit. So everything you need is in here to create these. So I'm going to show you my girls creating these right now, and they don't need any directions from me. They actually use the instructions on the inside of the package. But let me show you what I often order. I often order a refill. And if you want to know why, that's because I have 4 kids. And I actually have a class of scholars, young students that are my students. So what I do is I have the girls make extras for my little kids in my class. So here's the paper pumpkin, and you open it up, and you saw the other one had the ink pad, the stamp set. This is the same kit without the duplicatable ink pad or stamp set. So you can see here it's the same package, just doesn't need to have that part duplicated. And it saves you money, which is fabulous. So let me show you my girls as they create a little bit of this paper pumpkin for you, and I hope that you enjoy it. Don't forget to order your paper pumpkin from me. You can see more at gettingcrafty.net. That's gettingcrafty.net, where if you order with me, you receive bonus projects to do with the stamp sets, ink pads, and supplies that are in your kits. So that's one of the best parts of joining with me.